Wonderful good day, ladies and gentlemen, and we are back here at the Precious Metal Summit 2015 in Zurich, and with me here now, it's also a new company for commodity TV, Oban Mining, with Jose Vizquerra Benavides, and he's the COO of the company. Jose, pleasure to have you here.
Pleasure to see you, sir.
And thanks for taking the time. Oban Mining, can you give us a short overview about the company? What are you doing? You have consolidated 3 companies lately, right?
Yeah, we merged 4 different companies. We have right now $75 million in cash. We are a vehicle that has been created in order to acquire camps, and we are going to be very active in terms of mergers and acquisitions. One of the most important projects we just brought into the house is the Windfall project, north of Quebec, where we have 1.8 million ounces of 8.5 grams, 1.6 million ounces of 8.5 grams.
Wow, that's a pretty nice grade.
Yeah, it is, and it's in a great jurisdiction with fantastic First Nations. All of them are very supportive. That's very good for us, and it's also part of a Plan North. So there is a lot of upsides to this project.
And you are working in Canada in the ABTB belt, is that correct?
We're focusing the ABTB, mostly Ontario and Quebec. And we are consolidating some of the camps there. That's what we're doing. We are backed up by Osisko called Royalties, as you know. Osisko in the last merger put in around $20 million. They have around 17% of the company. This is, in a way, the creation of Osisko Mining Corporation again. We want to be a mining house. We have all the support from the technical team from Osisko. We want to build something bigger and stronger than what was built before. And we want to start producing within the next 5 years.
Fantastic. And as you mentioned already, you have $75 million in cash, which is a really comfortable basis to do the work. Yeah. And I'm pretty sure this money lasts easily to fulfill all the targets, right?
Well, we raised money in September. We finished the deal by the 25th of August. We raised money in September in order to advance Windfall, $13 million. So $13 million will go into Windfall, and we will be advancing Windfall. 55,000 meters of drilling will be done there. We will be flying in terms of geophysics. We're going to be doing EM and magnetics, and we're going to be doing till sampling. That's what Windfall is, and that's the $13 million going to there. Our cash, hard dollars, we will try to maintain them as positive as possible, and that means we're not going to spend that money. We want to be strong with the money we have, and in order to keep acquiring other assets, because the best asset we have right now is our cash.
Absolutely.
As you can imagine.
Let's dive into your projects.
Yeah.
Let's start with Windfall. You mentioned it already.
Yeah.
Can you describe it a little bit more? I think you have a PEA already for that, right?
Yeah, Windfall did a PEA before. We have decided to step back a little bit. The reason for that is because we do see that there is potential for an open pit there. So we want to drill a little bit more. We want to know if there is a potential for increasing the resource dramatically and turn around the project from a small mine that can be 100,000 ounces per year to see if there is a chance to have something much larger. Windfall is certainly a very unique project. It is certainly related to intrusions. We have a very high grade beneath the Red Dog dike, which is beneath the 300-meter level. But we also have potential, again, as I mentioned before, for an open pit. So it's a very unique project in a very safe jurisdiction with very good communities around, and also the benefit of the Plan North. So we're very excited from our perspective with what we have. We're going to keep doing acquisitions. We're going to keep consolidating camps. And this is once in a lifetime opportunity. Now is when we are in the bottom of the market. Now is when no one wants to do anything. Well, we are doing things, and we have cash to do it, and we're backed up by a very good technical team, and we are very good technically speaking. So, with that, I think that's what we want to tell our future investors, that we are a new company. This is new blood. This is young people doing things differently, with good backers, and we are just looking forward.
Fantastic. Can you give us some numbers of the PEA? What does it look like?
Well, again, the PEA was done by the previous company just to raise money. We do believe that the PEA with a new characterization of the deposit will be with much better numbers.
Okay, super.
Now they're okay. Don't get me wrong. They're pretty good.
That's what I thought.
But they can be much better. They can be much better.
So you can improve a lot.
Yes.
There's good upside, you mean?
Yes, that's what I mean.
Perfect. Let's move to the second project, Catherine.
Yeah.
What's going on there?
Well, Catherine it's a project that we acquired through a joint venture on the eastern side of the Round Lake Batholith. It's a conceptual project. We believe that once the intrusion came in, it prepared the ground to create mineralization. We believe that some of those Pluton suits are actually mineralized, same as what happened in the Young Davidson camp. So we have drilled 4,000 meters of drilling. We are waiting for the results as we speak, and we hope that we do get the assays and the grades that we want, and we expect the mineralization to be in the intrusion. If the mineralization is not in the intrusion, if we get the assays more into the veins, then we'll just drop the project. Not because it's not good, it's just because it's not good for us. You are going to see us very active, and you're going to see us making decisions very fast. And that's what is going to characterize Oban. We like it, we keep. We don't like it, we drop it. And we don't have feelings here. It's very systematic work, what we're doing.
Perfect. I like this approach, honestly, because it makes absolutely sense. You're not wasting money. You're not wasting money of your shareholders, for sure. And you are straightforward.
Well, shareholders are the most important thing in our company. So.
Great. Jose, thank you very much. All the best for that. And hope we see next year then also some good results. And especially the drill results will be the ones you liked and wished for and hoped for.
I hope so too.
And we will see an update next year then.
Fantastic.
Okay.
Thank you very much for your time, sir.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Jose Vizquerra Benavides, the CEO of Oban Mining. Well, you heard it. The company is sensationally cashed up with $75 million, has currently working on 2 good projects. One of them, the Windfall project, should be in production within the next 3 to 5 years. And they advanced $30 million into this project now. And what we like here is the approach, really straightforward. They have their measurements, they have their focus and real objections, what they want to have and what they don't want to have, and then they decide very fast. Young team, new company, refreshing the mining sector, new blood. We will watch them carefully. Thanks for watching us. Bye-bye from Zurich.